Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing a skincare related video. Like guys, it's been so long I actually created any content relating to skincare. So yeah, in today's video I'm going to be talking about the side effect of black soap, because we've all been hearing the good side of black soap, but that doesn't mean that the black soap doesn't necessarily have its cons. It have its pros and cons. So today I'm going to be discussing the bad side, or let me say the side effect of black soap. So if this looks like a video you'd want to watch or you benefit from, then you want to keep on watching this video. Let's get right into the video. So yeah, guys, as we all know that we all have different skin type and people react to things differently. Though the black soap is a natural exfoliant and it is good for all skin types, it hardly has a bad side effect on people's skin type, but still we can't erase the fact that black soap has its side effects. So yeah, to actually find out the side effects, if you're using the black soap and you find out that it dries your skin a lot, like it dries out your skin, yeah, natural black soap dries out skin. Yeah, drying out of skin is actually something that comes with the use of black soap. It actually dries out your skin. But if you find out that the drying effect is way too much, then you need to stop it, or talk to a dermatologist, or just talk to a skincare expert to actually tell you what you need to be doing or what you are doing wrong, if you are to continue using it or if you are to stop using it. So yeah, the black soap is actually, like, for an oily skin, I think the black soap doesn't really have so much effect for the people with oily skin, because they have oil to actually, withstand that dye effect of black soap. So yeah, if you're an oily skin, I think, yeah, black soap is really good for you. But when you start discovering that this black soap is causing you to have itchiness or a stingy sensation or a burning feeling, then you need to actually stop or discontinue the use of the black soap and talk to your dermatologist or your skincare expert and follow whatever they set for you to do. If they actually tell you to actually stop it for a while and start using it back with some moisturizers and all that, then you can start using it back. So another side effect of the black soap is the black soap can actually cause itching. Yeah. So there are some body type that are sensitive, and when they use this black soap and they discover that it causes them to itch, like not just anyhow itching, but itching to the sense that the itching causes like sore, or starts destroying your skin, then you need to stop the use of that black soap and talk to an expert. You need to talk to a skin expert. So yeah, I have a video on how to determine your skin type on, I'll leave the card here up here for you to check it out, for you to actually know what body type you belong to before you actually start getting your skincare or your black soap. Yeah, yeah. So the itchiness and redness caused by the black soap on some skin type may actually be as a result of allergy. Some people are allergic to certain ingredients, and there are a couple of ingredients that come together to make the black soap, and these ingredients are actually of different nature, and they can actually cause, some people actually can have allergies to such ingredients, because there are different ingredients that come together and they don't know what is contained in that black soap. So they need to actually, research properly. So another thing is, it's good for you to like lather your black soap on your palm. Like, take a good amount of it and put it on your palm and lather it first before actually applying it to your face, because at times black soap comes with particles. Not even at times, it comes with particles. Raw African black soap comes with particles. So when you just take a bit of it and just start rubbing it on your face, it can actually tear your face, and you discover that your skin gets like ruined, or Then you need to, like, lather it on your palm before rubbing it on your face. When you lather it on your palm, then you avoid the fact that it will hurt your face directly. Rather, you get to discover if there are particles on it on your palm before actually applying it on your face. So yeah, black soap can also cause irritation to the skin, like skin irritation. Like, it comes from being allergic to black soap, or if you're somebody that uses black soap a lot, that you're using it too much, too frequently, then you might actually start reacting to it, and it might cause irritation on your skin. When you start noticing that your skin gets irritated by the use of black soap, you should discontinue the use. You should stop using the black soap and get advice from a dermatologist or a skincare expert. So depending on how sensitive one's skin can be, black soap can also cause flaking and peeling. Like, you notice that your skin starts to peel after the use of it, or it starts flaking. So when you discover that this kind of thing is happening, then you need to probably go and research what ingredients are in the black soap you are using before you start using it, because black soaps are formulated for different kind of conditions. There are black soaps formulated for lightening and even toning. There are ones formulated for acne prone skin people, for combination skin, for melanin people, and for people that are white in their complexion. So yeah, you need to actually research properly on the ingredients being used for the black soap, and you need to, like, seek the proper education from the skincare seller before you actually buy that skincare and start using it, because you discover that the side effects of black soap might actually ruin your skin if you're not careful, because it can damage your skin. So yeah, you need to properly research what black soap you want to use. I'll leave a video here for you guys to check out how to the benefits of black soap. So I've discussed the benefits of black soap. So yeah, in this video I'm discussing the side effects of black soap, so that you will know that yeah, it has a good side. And so yeah, the use of sunscreen is an essential when you make use of black soap too, because you know that black soap is an exfoliant and it removes dead cells from the skin, and it possibly dries out the skin. And when it dries out the skin, you need something to, like, protect your skin from the harsh effect of sunlight, which can cause sun damage to your skin. So whenever you make use of your black soap, you need to make sure that your sunscreen is also applied immediately before you step out, because the fact that you just use your black soap alone can actually expose your skin to sun damage. So yeah, you need to make use of your sunscreen. So yeah, this brings me to the end of this video. My name is Magaji Nusrah, and I create content to help new YouTubers grow their channel. I create skincare content, fashion content, lifestyle content. So I'm going to drop my playlist over here for you to actually check out my other videos, my skincare content and my must-have content, and my tags and challenges. Whichever you want to watch, feel free to watch. But please subscribe to my channel before you go. Click my notifications for you to get more alerts whenever I post new videos, and like my video too. Most importantly, please don't just walk away from this channel without subscribing. Subscribe, please. So I will see you guys in my next video, and please stay safe till we meet again. Bye.